Standard 8, my English book, Little River. Our little river is meanders along. In summer, the water is only knee deep, and cows and carts can cross it with ease, for the banks through the high are not so steep, too steep. No sign of slim, the sand shine bright. On one shore cash field blossom white. Chippering manna through that sight, the jackal howls is heard there at night. Across lie grows a mango and palm. The villagers priests dwell in their pool's shade. Girls and boys bath close to the bank, splashing with their gamchas as they wade. At dusk and dawn, once their bath is done, they deep wash clothes to trap small fish. To their household tasks the wives return, having used river sand to score each dish. In Ashar, clouds gather, the water rise. The river in its part, the current blows strong. The air is rife with babbling sound as the muddy torrent swirls along. The woods on shore stir to life and our village waken to celebrate the rain. Rabindranath Tagore. Little exercise about a poem. So first one is the title of the poem. So we clearly say the title of the poem is The Little River. The poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem has 5 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines, but the last stanza has 6 lines. The poem describes the river in summer and in rainy season. The figure of speech in the poems are alteration and onomatopoeia. And your favorite line in the poem are, you can write any line you like the most.